Cumilla is a district of Bangladesh located about 100 kilometers southeast of Dhaka. It is situated just south of the Gumti River, which is a tributary of the Meghna River. Hello everyone, this is Golam Rabbani. I am a student of the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management from IUBAT, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology. Today I am here at Kudvari Shalbon Bihar, the heritage site, to make a blog. And I am trying to show you some cultural site in Cumilla city also. Shalbon Bihar is an archaeological site in Moinamoti, Cumilla, Bangladesh. The ruins are in the middle of the Lalmai Hills range, and these are of 7th century powerful style Buddhist Bihar with 115 cells for monks. It operated through the 12th century. The Bihar was founded in the 8th century by Bhavadeva, the 4th ruler of the early Deva dynasty. The 168 square meter site was built in of Deva Parvata, the Samatata Capitata bordering the Lalambi forest. This site, previously known as Rajarvari, was renamed Shalbon Bihar after archaeological excavation revealed terracotta seals and copper plate, identifying it as the remains of a residential Buddhist monastery. This is a new Buddhist heritage in Cumilla, which is also part of Shalbon Bihar. It is established in 1995. It is a complex consists of a Buddhist monastery. Cumilla University, one of the well-known public university in Bangladesh, which is located at Kudvari. It is constructed on 245 acres of land at Shalbon Bihar, Moinamoti. It is established on the hills of Moinamoti. Dharmasagar is a beautiful place in Cumilla city. This is a man-made water body in Cumilla. This is actually a pond which was dug by the Tripura King Dharma monarchy in 1458. It is defined as a center of Cumilla city. Nowadays, people are coming here for taking relaxation and making fun. At the north side of Dharmasagar, there have also a park where people come and see and making their time enjoyable. Matri Bhandar. It is a Bangladeshi traditional confectionery store, well known as for Rasmalai. The taste of Rasmalai has been appreciated in various national and international importance places and events. This shop is located in Manoharpur suburb, which is very close to Raja Rajeshwari Kalibari. At the 11th hour, I want to say that as a tourist, if you are seeking the place for taking relaxation and want to make your time enjoyable, you should think or visit Cumilla city because Cumilla city is full of nature and beautiful places with peace. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe. Live long life.